How are you? Bless you. Hey, Benny. Do you like swimming at night?
Yeah.
How much?
This much.
A whole lot,
I won't.
Okay, show me. Swimming at night at the house.
I'm coming to save you. You're in trouble.
Come and save me. Hurry up. Thank you. Hey, Ben. Let's see you swim underwater the whole way.
Hey, don't swim in the water like that, Sway.
Go all the way. Underwater. Go.
I can't do it. I can't stay on the water that long.
Okay.
But I'll show you, Pam. I can't stay underwater that long. I can stay underwater that long. And I can get there. That's all I
Tired?
can do.
Somebody grabbed me.
Yeah, we did it all today, didn't we?
I got a giant squid. This way. I will wrap you.